Wow, I'm so excited. I have an awesome treat for you today. First, hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Michael Neer. Thanks for subscribing. We're at 416. We want to reach 1,000 by the end of June. So I need your help out here. Please reach out to family, loved ones, wherever they may be, workers, employees, and help me out here. But now back to our main feature for today, Kanban in Prose. So here it goes, Agile Kanban in Prose. Now, often our work lists tend to grow and grow, which makes me think, whoa, Kanban lets us reach nirvana by focusing on flow. It's really simple. Let's go. 3 big columns on a wall, to do and progress and done can be all. I've added a column of complete, but it's your call. Sit with your team and loved ones the evening before, prioritizing together all the work. Every card is just a single chore. Remember, less is more, and I've actually said that many times before. I want to get it started here. Pull chores, but only what you can complete, so nothing remains hanging at the end of the week. We call this limiting the WIP, work in progress for you guys. Meet twice a day with the visual Kanban board in sight. Share what you can complete and what's stopping you to reach done tonight. Agile folks, us call this daily stand-up, so let's make it right. Kanban is empirical, so I have nothing more. It is for you, really, to explore. Could you add the final verse for me just down below? Make it funny both high and low. Thank you so much. It worked this time. Kanban is empirical, so Kanban lets you focus. I'm so excited. I have such a big treat for you today. First off though, hey, thanks. Welcome back to my channel, Matchala. Is it on? Is it on? It's not switching to the view. I have this awesome thing that I want to share with you. Crap.